you a plan, if I had to tell you a plan right now for the day, which is something that I'm horrible at doing, the plan for the day is I'm here in Bordeaux for another about 4 or 5 hours, then taking a train back to La Rochelle, gonna be in La Rochelle hopefully around dinner time, then after that taking my car, and then I have a drive back to Angers today. So on that note, time to clean up this absolute horrible mess. Even my desk is a mess. But no worries, get this all cleaned up and then off to explore the city regardless of the weather. Let's go. Sometimes it doesn't work. It's been a pleasure. Et après, comme ça?
Les quartiers de Saint-Michel.
C'est mieux, on fait ça.
Oui, parce que comme ça, vous voyez tous nos quartiers. Notre quartier. Là, vous pouvez. Oui,
Okay, so I have a map, I have a plan. Don't know if I can see anything, but with the fog I mean, but I have a plan. Been to Bordeaux. I've only been here one time, and that was to play against the basketball team that's here in Bordeaux. And I was walking around the street, I was like, this place looks really familiar. Literally, this is where we played versus the team here in Bordeaux. And actually, it was the former team of Boris Diaw. If you guys knew him from when he played for the Spurs, this is where we played at. Not saying I would want to play here, but that'd be pretty cool to have an arena. As soon as you walk out, you're in the center of the city. Wow. But I play for Angers. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm seeing where the cathedral is. You know, and apparently this is not the only cathedral. Not sure if this is a cathedral or a church, how you want to call it, but there's actually even another one that's supposed to be huge. So I'm actually gonna make my way over there as well. And just leaving the church now, not sure if this is a sign or not, but the sun has come out, and I think it's gonna be a beautiful day here in Bordeaux. And I guess because you have the cathedral here, but outside there's just like a huge marketplace where they have, I don't know, everything from clothes to things at your home just for decoration, to fences, to paintings. They kind of have everything going on like just outside this like huge cathedral. But always be careful buying some things here, because a lot of this stuff, not a lot, but I'm sure some of this stuff is stolen. I see people selling like phones, shoes, stuff from in cars, CD players, stuff like that. Just be careful if you go shopping in little places like this on Sundays. Now actually taking a quick pause, can't feel my fingers. Okay, as you know, as I'm sitting here in this this coffee shop, kind of having like my second, it's a cafe / restaurant, having my second coffee. One thing I think you guys should always remember is always like follow your energy. You know, for example, I'm in Bordeaux. I got here last night, didn't get to see the city like I wanted to in the day. I only have about 2 hours left to see everything. You know, my first reaction is like, go walk around, rush around, see everything. But sometimes it's not how you feel. That's not how your energy is leading you. Guys, there's nothing wrong with, hey, you arrive in a place, see something, and take a break for 2 or 3 hours, and then, hey, maybe you don't see everything, you never can see everything, but at least you took the time and relaxed, you followed your energy, and you're happy that way. You know, I know people think watching the vlog that I'm always running around, doing crazy stuff, never sleeping, but sometimes, like right now, really taking a moment to just sit down, relax, and take everything in. You know, don't rush it. I mean, there are times when you have to, but always follow your energy. If I had to have a thought of the day, that would be it. Follow your energy. On that note, second coffee, then back to the center. Bro,
j'espère vraiment
enchanté, bro.
Ouais.
À bientôt. Prochaine fois que je suis là, je vais venir ici. Alright, bro. Ciao. Ciao, merci.
Bye bye.
My favorite place in Bordeaux, right here, this restaurant. If you guys come here, definitely go there. Ask for Bruno, awesome guy, best people were there. But now sun's out, so we're gonna continue the day, heading down towards the river right now. It should be nice. I was here in the night, but everything looks different in the daytime, so super excited. So now I can officially start a nice, beautiful tour here of Bordeaux before hitting the train back to La Rochelle. And it's funny, now that I'm here in the center of Bordeaux with the sun is finally out, I feel like now is the perfect time to say, welcome to Bordeaux. I'm still like walking along the river right here. I'm actually running low on time. Hope you guys can see me from the sun. I'm actually running low on time for when I gotta be at the train station. But my goal is to try to walk all the way down there, cross that bridge, and then walk all the way back, cross that bridge, and the train station's on the other side. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Running on time, walking fast, sun's burning, sweating. But yeah, that's the goal. I really want to see Bordeaux from the other side, because so many times we come to a city and we think that it's best like to see that city from that one side of the river. You know, Budapest, you're on the side with the palace, I don't know, the Eiffel Tower, you're in the Eiffel Tower. But sometimes the better view is from the other side or from another perspective. So that's the goal. There to there. Really cool walking along this river, because on this side you have the river, but on this side you just have people sitting here on this wall having wine, having lunch. There's actually like a market that's open with a lot of places to get food. The vibe here is, I don't know, it's a lot different than Paris. It reminds me more of the vibe is more of like a Barcelona vibe, where it's more people sitting around, chilling, relaxing. But then the sun is out, so that changes a lot. So maybe that's another reason, but I'm definitely liking the city. Next time, bringing my longboard, 100%, 100%. Okay, so next stop, the train going to La Rochelle. It should only be like a 2-hour, 15-minute train ride, so shouldn't be too bad. It wasn't a bad train ride, but as soon as we were right on the train for about 3 or 4 minutes, sun totally disappeared, back to normal weather. It's a little bit cold, but the night is kind of just beginning. And when I say that it's just beginning the night, because I'm still not back in Angers, where I have to be at tomorrow for training. I'm at the train station now. From here, I gotta take a long walk to the center of La Rochelle. And then from here in the center of La Rochelle, I was kind of hoping that they have like everything kind of lit up. And the two towers, as you guys remember, are just right here, but the lights aren't on there. So in that case, I guess I'm gonna walk all the way across the city to my car. Because now I have to drive 2 hours, 15 minutes normally, maybe 2 hours and 5 minutes, it changes, back to Angers, and pretty sure I'm feeling okay, so try to do this like non-stop. Okay, so if you guys watch my little Instagram live sessions that I have, they're usually here, which means I'm here in Angers. So I've made it back. Everything's all good, even though the road was crazy driving back. Couldn't see anything that northern France's weather. And I was like, when I get back, I'm gonna be a little bit tired. And I was like, why didn't I record an ending to today's vlog earlier in the day? I totally forgot I did. So this last minute of the vlog, I really didn't need to put in here, but why not? So ending the vlog where I ended it earlier today, back in Bordeaux. Okay, so I know if you guys are watching this, it's been a really long day for me. I'm tired. I probably am not even able to end the vlog with energy like the energy I have right now on this bridge still here in Bordeaux. But if I can say something about Bordeaux, I actually really like the city. If I had to rate it compared to Paris, this city is more relaxed. For me personally, this city is more my style than Paris, but I always say Paris is a great place to see. Everyone has to see it once. But for me, if I had to pick a place to come and chill, Bordeaux, you are up there in the list of cities because it's so relaxed and chill, and it seems as if the people are even different here. That's my first opinion. I've only was here for a day, but that's what I think. But on that note, I'm gonna end the vlog here, as I said, and just want to thank you guys so much for watching. This probably was a long vlog too. It seemed like a long day already. It's not even afternoon. I'm already at 15,000 steps. So yeah, I'm ending the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to all of you later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.